And don't worry about it falling off. It stays on even when it's unscrewed. So as you can see inside this, I am breaking this door handle off so I can get the new door handle on. As soon as it's ready to pop off, it should pop off. Take off this thing. But am I even doing it? And this is and then just remove it. So now we need to put this in here, turn it a little bit, and then push it all the way in. But we can't do this until we pull back this pin. So now we'll feed the wire into here. We need to get it through there. See, my dad's helping me with this. Now that this is pulled up, we're gonna set this into the handle and let it go.
Pull the wire out.
Now we need to screw. We'll test it, and it works perfectly. And now we need this, and this is our new door handle replacement. This is what it looks like. Oh, exactly the same as this, but a different color. And now we pop it in, and now we have our new door handle. So now what we need to do is we need to take this, and what we need to do is we need to take this and screw the short-shaped thing back in. So they'll get tighter and tighter until it's done. Now that's nice and tight, I can't pull anymore. Now we'll put the cap back on and we'll give it a test. Perfect!